Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Inikz. As our summer vacations have started, we are planning to do many fun activities that you'll enjoy watching. So please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to our fun and amazing videos. So friends, there are 24 activities in this STEM activity box, and today Lennix is going to show us how to make a fun table fan activity. So, without further ado, let's watch how he makes his table fan rotate.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a table fan activity. We will show all the things. First the batteries, that's battery box, switch, motor, fan. Another battery again, and a holder, a lollipop block, and a bike block. Come on, away, let's start. First, I need the battery box. Okay, I will choose any battery I like. Now, let me fix the batteries. So I'm going to use another battery. Now I'm going to close it. Now it's time to hold white. So I'm going to use a block bike. Then with the puzzle. And then I'm going to use a magnifying glass. It's a lollipop block. Now I'm going to put the wires inside. Now I'm going to hold that. I'm going to switch the motor. I'm going to take this one. For this snapping. Oh no! Oh, snap. Now it's shaky. It's trippy. I'm connecting the wires. Can you connect the wires? Sure. Okay. Let's start. Now I'm going to use the fan. The red fan. Now what happens is when I turn on this switch and when I turn on that switch, then it will start rotating. But be careful. The tiger has to keep it on the fan. So everybody we completed our activity. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.